dog. He's literally under my leg. Alright, so I'm gonna take him for a walk today. Both of them actually, but Junior first, and then we'll take Zeus. And yeah, ready, Junior? Are you ready for a walk? Huh? He's like, yes, I am. Are you ready? Oh, take that as a yes. That's my big Clifford boy, and Zeus is over here waiting. Alright guys, let me get Junior hooked up and we'll go for a walk. Hey guys, so we just got off the boardwalk. We came from over here, and now we're gonna go back this way and go down to the beach. Come on boys, let's go! Woohoo! Look at him go. Alright, so here we are. Very pain in the ass. Wow, it looks like all the dunes covers. There's lots of grass. Like on this side, it seems to all be gone over here. Almost last time I was here with Junior. Junior! Junior! Clifford! God, they're so deaf today. Junior, knock it off. Be nice, okay? Look at this, guys. It's so peaceful. Yet annoying with these two dragging mutts. I swear. Oh, we can't do this. It's windy. Hey. You guys know how hard it is to walk two dogs, okay? And to freaking film at the same time. Thank God I have this double attached leash. Thank goodness for that. Otherwise, having to hold two leashes, dogs going in opposite directions is not fun. I do need to train them to walk a little better, so that's on me. Or take them to a trainer, hopefully sometime soon. Take them to some classes or teach them myself. I don't know how to teach them myself, but I can learn. I gotta be determined because they do make me mad. It's like 90% of the time I walk them. They walk better when they're on their own, but together, Junior, good boy. Oh God, guys, I'm sorry, but they're tingling up, so I have to cut this again. So we're heading back to the car, which you're gonna see how we came because we had a freaking literally. I think it's sprinkling, guys. It's starting to rain. I hope not, at least not until we get to the car. So thank God we're heading back. Like, this is where we have amazing, like, 4th of July. I think it's pretty awesome. This guy's going crazy over there where I parked. Like, holy shit. Some people drive crazy with their trucks and the big cars. Yeah. Pretty crazy. So, guys, I do have different videos coming out. It's just that it's taking me a while to edit them because I'm having a weird, like, thing where I kind of don't like, I end up not liking what I recorded, but then I end up just, like, my stick, but I don't know. I feel like I would have dropped my phone because it's a really loose selfie stick, and with dogs jiggly every second, it's hard. Come on. So we're going back this way, which you'll see how we made it. But this is the sign again. So we're off to where we started, and my car is literally parked down over there. So look at what this rain is, though, guys. It created like a mini little water area. How are we gonna cross this, you might ask? Just watch and learn. See, my dogs won't really probably won't ride on it. At least the big one will. But let's see if they know which way to go. Come on, boys. Come on, Junior, up. Where's this? Come on. So we're just going around it, guys. Got 2 water things to go around. Zeus. I swear, my smaller dog has to stop every 5 seconds. It smells. Good boys, come on. Good boys. Come on. See, that's how we did it, guys. This water way over here is completely covered up the whole place. And now we've got another one. And how we're going to do this is the same way, but on this side. So, Junior, come on. Right over here. Come on, keep walking. Come on. Good boys. Yes, Junior, good boy. Come on, Zeus. Come on. See, my first plan was to walk them in the neighborhood because I wanted to take them out, but I was going to walk Junior. And then I saw another dog was out the other way, and then there was another guy out walking his lawn, and I'm sure his dogs were out too, so I was like, fuck it. Let me just take him to the beach. Like, I wanted to anyways because it's a nice day. So, why not? I know that once I can get these dogs to walk a little bit easier, more trained, it'll be more pleasant to walk them. You know? There's my car. And that is the way we came from. Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm eating this thing called moss. I don't know how you pronounce it in English or what it's called in English, but in Albanian it's called moss. So this is what it looks like. It's just, how do I show you this without it spilling? Right here, and I've got, oh, see, I'm already clumsy. I've got also garlic bread to dip in, and regular bread because I'm gonna need it, because yeah, it's a lot of moss and stuff. So this is the garlic bread. Let's dip it in. Usually you dip it in with like whatever bread you want. Normally I dip it in with like whatchamacallit, normal bread, but since we've got garlic bread, why not, you know? So good. So what's up with you guys? Look at this. I don't know what you call this in English, but I'm gonna have to search it. If I'm correct, it's sour cream. Just on a pan with it, maybe some other stuff. I don't know, but my mom makes it. Like it's just like a liquidy, or I don't know, how do you describe this? I don't know. I just put some all over my keyboard. Nice job, Tina. Oops, sorry guys, I'm playing Sims. And have it on pause so I can film this for you guys. I don't know why I'm always losing my voice out of my room. Sorry about the messy hair. And no makeup, but you see my eyebrows? I got them done for the first time in 22 years, guys. First time I got them done a couple days ago. I think it was Monday. Yeah, that's not really a couple days ago. Was it Monday? I think so. With my mom, we went and she got hers done, and then she wanted me to get mine done, so we did it. And yeah, and I tried to color them in a little bit. Not the very best job, but even if I don't color them in, it looks like I actually have eyebrows now versus like before. Just look at this beautiness. I'm sure there's like an American name for this or another type of name, but what we call it, at least that I know of, is Moz. Pretty much it. So I do have something going on, guys, which I'm going to be busy with it. Reason why I haven't been able to upload as much. But yeah. I'm going to try. I'd tell you what it is, but I don't know if I'm ready to announce it yet. Or whatever. Or if I ever will, but because I don't want to jinx it. This is also good with like cheese on the side, or maybe even peppers. Personally, I don't like peppers, but you know, there's people who like them, so it's okay. I got guacamole and carrots to try it with, but I haven't had a chance. I keep forgetting to try it for you guys. Eyebrow gang. It's not how I want it to look like, but I'm just happy I got some.